The life sciences supply chain is constantly evolving, filled with unexpected challenges. That's why we developed PlanetTogether APS for life sciences. Medicinal products come in various forms, each with unique packaging and labeling requirements. From liquids to solids and varying strengths, ensuring proper dosing is critical. Patients are served through various channels, each with its own demand dynamics. Sudden changes in demand due to tenders or parallel trade are common. So how do you adapt? You need to provide first-class service while minimizing costs and avoiding excess stocks. With PlanetTogether APS, you can fine-tune your network, optimize production, and manage inventory efficiently. Our software synchronizes manufacturing, optimizes asset utilization, and ensures batch quality, even in the face of changing regulations. And with powerful forecasting and scenario planning tools, you can stay ahead of the curve. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to streamlined operations with APS. PlanetTogether APS, transforming complexity into clarity.